tinda ng ice candy. Baka naman, mainit yung panahon. Idol Harry for 3. Bang! Lamang na po ang Team Gravity 18-14. Grabe nga naman talaga yung lineup. Ewan ko ba? Ayun na nga ang pressure. Yung trophy namin ready na eh. Gravity na yung nakalagay. Shoutout, hindi naglalaro sa naglalaro. Harry! Basket counts! Grabe naman talaga. Foul number 5. Permanent siya natawagan ng foul. That's your first personal foul, second team foul. Grabe. Bonus free throw for Constantino. Basket for Constantino. Score 21-14. Number 12, Joble. Joble! No fear shot. 2 points. Bastos mo ba tayo for number 12? Eto na ulit, Constantino. Constantino. Ball. Nakapo na depensa. Good defense. Bola ng team. Gravity. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds shot clock. 11 seconds. To Constantino. To Kevin. Kevin fakes. Kevin drives. Kevin with a spin! Grabe yung spin mo, Kevin. There's a technical foul. Technical number. Who's technical rep? Number 3. Team Anonymous. Igawang na technical. Grabe si Kevin. Side back sa dito. Masok. Hermanas. There's a call and there's a foul. Foul number 4, Constantino. That's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team Gravity. Joble. Joble, Fred. Joble for 3. Bang! Score 24-19. Nahuli ni Blackman to Joble. To Biray versus Joble. Nasa mali ka, idol. Time out! Team Gravity. Idol, nasa mali. Okay, shoutout muna ulit. Shoutout kay Mark Peralta at Fred. Shoutout po. Good luck daw kay Daddy JR of Team Anonymous from Abby and Canny. From Rose and Hernandez. Shoutout po sa inyo. Shoutout Team Pinoy Ballers. Albarcia, Piber, Mark Isip Balahadia. Shoutout. Shoutout din kay Joble, Jezabel at Yensa. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat. All back to the ball game. Wala pa rin ang Team Anonymous. 8 seconds to shoot. Good defense by Idol Rosal. Joble. 5 seconds, 3 seconds, sorry. Shot clock violation. Good defense. Grabe yung defense na yun. Pass break. Steal by Team Anonymous. Permanes. De Leon versus Bol. De Leon, nice pick. Same ball lang tayo. Good defense by Kevin. Good defense. Nice steal ng Team Gravity. Pass break to Constantino. Basket counts. May kasama kong foul. Foul number 5. That's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty, both teams. Bonus free throw basket for Idol Larry. 27-19, lumalayo na yung Kalamangan. Na-steal pa nga. Harry! Reverse, no good! Rebound by Piray. Permanes. Step back. No good. Sayang yun. Kevin, ball. Back to Kevin. Kevin for 3! Naging Kevin Durant, pare! Si Kevin naging Kevin Durant. Score natin, 30-19. Grabe naman yun. Pass break, nice! Steal na naman ng Team Gravity. Nasa mali yung pasa mo. Ayan na si Joble. Idol, no good. Same ball lang tayo. Wala pa naman yung Team Anonymous. Score natin 30-19. Lamang yung 11 points. Ang Team Gravity. Grabe nga naman kasi yung lineup. Permanes. Yung sila daw. 10 seconds to shoot. To De Leon versus Kevin. De Leon. Ayun na nga na-steal. There's a call and there's a foul. Foul number 3. Reyes, that's your, De Leon, that's your second personal foul. Penalty na. Warning for delaying the game. Team Gravity. First attempt of line. Second attempt. Wala pa rin. Again, number 3, that's your third personal foul. Penalty tayo rin. Penalty tayo. First attempt ni Kevin Durant nag-shoot.
Ang bagal mo, man.
Second attempt, grabe si Kevin dito. Pushing foul number 12. Rizal, that's your first personal foul. Penalty tayo na. Okay, last 10 seconds na tayo. Pwede na kayo magpahinga.
Isa pa! Nice tayo!
Okay, apat free throw si Idol. Shoutout TJ. Shoutout sa Ilonggo Barcia. Kay Coach Dudes. Shoutout Jess Enriquez. Shoutout sa'yo. Kay Bossing. Shoutout Bossing. Kay Jonel Belga Bonanza. Reggie Nicolas, shoutout. Idol. Sayang natalo yung idol ko. Ganun talaga ang buhay.
Palo lang palo.
Shoutout Pogi. Ang Donald Pogi ng Riga. Dalawang free throws, may 2 free throws for Team Anonymous.
Yung bola ulit lang. Ulang!
Bola ng Team Anonymous. 2 free throws lang po. 14 players ang Team Gravity, 15 players ang Team Anonymous. Team Anonymous to Idol. To number 30. To number 4 na, itin na ng Idol, Aris. Then, unsportsmanlike. Foul number 4. Number 4, that's your first personal foul. First team foul. Pero unsport. Unsport ba? John, wala ba si Bossing? Wala. Opo. Sabihin niyo ng bias ako pero idol ko si Bossing. Okay, dalawang pumasok. Score natin 34-21. Lamang na 13 points ang Team Gravity. Constantino. Nice pass sa ilalim. Good defense ng number 14 ng Team Anonymous. To number 4, Aquino. Aquino, pass out of move, no good. Offensive rebound. Basket there for number 7. Number 7, Algano. To Constantino. Constantino. Good defense. Muntik na may steal. Back to Constantino. Dalawahin nyo na daw. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Idol, number 26, short. There's a ball and there's a foul. Foul number 21. Ano na ng foul from Team Anonymous. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. So, Idol, Harry, good defense by Alagano. Sa block. Number 30 to number 7. Number 7! Back shot is good. Easy basketball. Galing at Tulaw. Para di kayo mag-away pag-uwi. Number 1 to number 30 to Constantino. Harry. Harry. Good defense again to number 1. Pineda. Pineda. No good. Rebound by Idol Malik. Number 14. Ayun na nga, nawala yung bola. Sayang na lang. Bola ng Team Gravity. Score natin 34-25. Kapababa na niyang kalamangan to 9 points. Good defense. Same ball pa rin. Nice pass! Libreng-libre! Reverse layup pa yun. Grabe naman sa Idol number 15. Score 36-25. To number 21, number 21 Pinks. Number 14 Malik. No good. Offensive rebound. Same ball tayo. Bola pa rin ng Team Anonymous. Remaining time natin 6 minutes and 55 seconds sa ating third quarter. Bola pa rin ng Team Anonymous. May sub po tayo. Under 5 minutes pwede kayo mag-sub. Kahit sinong player. Number 21 with the layup. 2 points. To Idol number 26. To Idol, Harry, nakawala. Constantino, pass to number 15. Naku po, tumamasa pa. Sayang naman yun. Wala ng Team Anonymous. Number 30, nagmamadali. Pass break. To number 7. Alagano. To number 21, nice pick. Naku po, sayang yun. Dito ang number 30 ng Team Gravity. Ito na Team Gravity. To Harry. Idol. To number 26. To boy, Steve Wonder. 2 points. 2 points. Ito na Team Anonymous. Valencia fakes. Valencia for 3. Short. Offensive rebound. Alaga na. Nice steal na. Ito na si Constantino again. Constantino. To number 26 again. No good. Number 30. Basket counts. May kasama pa foul. Foul number 30. Time out! Team Anonymous. Si number 30 yung nagawa ng foul. That's your first personal foul. 13 foul. Okay, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout kay Ian at Chester. Si Idol Jandro, Ice Candy. Shoutout kay Sir Jonathan Tibab, Mark Isi Balahadya. Shoutout kay Richie Rivera. Baka Richie Rivera yun, Idol. Richie Rivero ng Team Sandstorm. From Denver de la Cruz. Ronald Domanico. Shoutout po sa Alberta Community. Kay Denver de la Cruz ng Sandstorm Team. Shoutout CBX Conde. Shoutout po sa mga. Number 30, bonus free throw sa blind. Okay, early line violation. Ball and team Anonymous. Number 30, Loya. Nakapumuntik na sa referee. Valencia to number 14. Number 14. Number 14 pa rin. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Pasok in, labas out. Eto na. Eto na mga idol ko. Ako po. Technical. Ayun na nga. Na-technical na. 6 players kayo. Idol. Technical. Technical ang team, Gravity. Dahil 6 players sila. Talaga na. Basket. Updated score natin 40-28. Okay, back to the ball game. Ito na si Idol Rosal. To number 30. De Los Santos. Foul number 7. Alagano. That's her first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team Anonymous. Rosal. Rosal, nice team ni Alagano. Eto na. Kaso mahirap yan. Alagano, to Bingo, nice team ni De Los Santos. To Kevin. Kevin, pass break to number 15. Sir Idol, naku po. Nasa balik. Umilaw, sir. Eto na bola ng team. Anonymous, Bingo. Bingo for 3! Bang! Eto na ulit si Idol. Nagbabalik. 40-31. Lamang na 9 points sa Team Gravity. Rosal. Rosal with a crossover to Mendoza. And De Los Santos for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Rosal fade away. No good pa rin. Rebound ni Alagano. Ito na si Di Mahilig. Di Mahilig nagmamadali. Di Mahilig. Di Mahilig. Basket counts! May kasama bang foul? Foul number 30. 30. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Number 30, that's your first personal foul. Bonus free throw for Di Mahilig. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Fernandez. Grabe si Di Mahilig doon. Wala na siyang sinusundukan sa airport. Rosal! 4-3! Bumawi! Rosal! 3 points. Di Mahilig pa rin. To number 7, Alagano. Alagano lang 3! Nako po. Substitution, rep. Pasok in, labas, out. Score natin, 43-33. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan. Binigay natin 1 minute and 42 seconds sa ating third quarter. Rosal. Rosal. Screen by Kevin. Nice screen. Kevin, no good. Rebound ni Alagano. Naku po, alanganin yung pasa. Pagsa dito to Kevin. Kevin! Basket counts! Foul number 3. number 3, that's your fourth personal foul. Apat ka na, Idol. Idol, apat ka na. Bonus free throw. Bonus free throw for Kevin. Ball. Sablay na po, offensive rebound ba ni Idol Larry? Idol Larry, no good. Offensive rebound din, Kevin. Naku po. Sino kaya natagal foul? Foul number 21. Valencia, that's your second personal foul. Penalty tayo. First attempt, medyo kapos. Medyo lang. Second attempt, basket number Kevin. Substitution rep. Score 46-33. Gravity is up by 13 points. Fast break. Alagano na ko po. Masyado palakas. Running time kaya, Idol. De Los Santos to Fernandez. 3 seconds. Nice pass to Ari. 2 points. 48-33. Gravity is up by 15 points. Grabe talaga. Grabe na yung team Gravity.